Ever found yourself scrolling through Amazon late at night, maybe after a few too many online shopping rabbit holes, and suddenly thought, wait a minute, can I even buy a Tangem wallet on here? You wouldn't be alone. With the explosion of interest in cryptocurrency and the need for secure ways to manage those digital assets, it's natural to wonder if a mainstream e-commerce giant like Amazon would be a go-to place for hardware wallets. So, let's dive right into it. The short answer, as of today, April 11th, 2025, is a bit nuanced. You won't typically find Tangem selling their hardware wallets directly through an official Tangem storefront on Amazon. If you search for Tangem on the platform, you might encounter listings, but these are often from third-party resellers, and that's where things can get a little, well, complicated. Think of it like this: imagine trying to buy a limited edition collectible. Would you rather get it directly from the manufacturer, knowing it's authentic and comes with all the official support? Or would you prefer to take a chance on a random seller you found online? With something as crucial as a cryptocurrency hardware wallet, security and authenticity are paramount. Buying from unauthorized resellers on platforms like Amazon introduces several potential risks. Firstly, there's the genuine concern about the authenticity of the product. You might unknowingly purchase a counterfeit device that has been tampered with or doesn't offer the security features of a genuine Tangem wallet. Secondly, you might miss out on the official warranty and support that Tangem provides when you purchase directly from them or their authorized distributors. If you run into any issues or have questions, dealing with an unofficial reseller can be a frustrating and potentially unsuccessful experience. Now, why might Tangem choose not to have an official presence on Amazon? There could be several reasons. Perhaps they prefer to maintain tighter control over their distribution channels to ensure product integrity and provide a consistent customer experience. Selling directly through their own website or partnering with specific authorized retailers allows them to manage quality control, provide direct support, and educate customers properly about their products. It also allows them to build a direct relationship with their user base. It's also worth considering the nature of cryptocurrency hardware wallets. They are security-sensitive devices, and Tangem likely prioritizes a sales environment where they can guarantee the provenance and integrity of each wallet. Selling through a platform with potentially less oversight on individual sellers might not align with their security standards. So, what's the takeaway here? While you might stumble upon Tangem listings on Amazon from time to time, it's generally not the recommended or official way to purchase their hardware wallets. For the safest and most reliable experience, your best bet is to head directly to Tangem's official website or look for authorized retailers listed on their site. This ensures you're getting a genuine product, full warranty, and direct support from the source. You'll have peace of mind knowing your digital assets are secured with an authentic device. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.